Most cleaners walk into a post-construction site and treat it like any other job. And that's exactly how they lose money, referrals, and client trust. Post-construction mess isn't regular dust. It's debris in vents, paint splatter on windows, and ultra-fine dust that lingers in the air long after the tools are packed up. And if you don't follow a solid, detailed cleaning checklist, you'll get callbacks, complaints, and costly rework. Let's walk through a complete post-construction cleaning process that ensures you clean once, get paid, and never get called back for missed spots. Start with the initial steps. Before you clean, remove large debris like nails, wood offcuts, and packaging. Then, scan for safety hazards, sharp edges, loose wires, or dangerous materials. Use gloves, masks, and proper disposal tools. Every crew member should be trained on safety protocols before starting the job. Then, move on to the interior cleaning. Start from the top. Dust ceilings, walls, and light fixtures using microfiber cloths or HEPA filter vacuums. For ceiling fans and vents, use specialised brushes to remove fine dust without spreading it into the air. Next, clean all glass surfaces, windows, mirrors, and panels, inside and out. Use non-streak cloths and gentle products to avoid scratching. Power wash exterior windows carefully where needed, especially if you want to leave a lasting impression. Vacuum carpets thoroughly using industrial-strength machines. Post-construction dust settles deep into carpet fibres, and basic vacuums won't cut it. Then mop wood, tile, and bamboo floors with the correct products and protective coatings to prevent damage. Wipe down doors, cabinets, and countertops to remove dust, sticky residue, or stray paint. Check every room carefully. This isn't about speed, it's about detail. Use HEPA vacuums to avoid airborne particles, and never leave floors wet or unsafe. In bathrooms and kitchens, sanitation is critical. Disinfect all high-touch areas like doorknobs, handles, taps, and appliances. Remove any leftover paint, glue, or caulking to improve both appearance and air quality. Open windows during this phase to maintain clean ventilation. Now for the exterior cleaning. Post-construction cleaning doesn't end at the front door. Start with entrances, walkways, and driveways. Power wash these surfaces and sweep around them to eliminate mud, sawdust, or paint spills. Brighten outdoor lights and clean exterior glass to make the space safe and welcoming. Tidy up landscaping and green areas by removing debris, plastic, nails, wood fragments. Rakes, leaf blowers, and wheelbarrows make this easier. Always follow local environmental regulations for waste disposal, especially with hazardous materials. Finally, conduct a full site inspection. Walk through every zone using your post-construction cleaning checklist. Make sure no task is left unfinished. Check floors for shine, carpets for cleanliness, bathrooms for sanitation, and glass for clarity. Confirm all trash and waste has been disposed of legally and safely. This final inspection is where professional cleaners separate themselves from amateurs. It's not just about cleaning, it's about quality control and client satisfaction. When you take post-construction cleaning seriously, you get more than a clean site. You get client trust, repeat work, and referrals, all without having to redo the job.